Hi, my name is Akshat Seth and I'm a graduate in BBA Finance from Symbiosis Center for Management Studies, Noida. Recently, I've completed a 5-month internship from KPMG in the investment banking arm. I was working on a fundraiser role in the M&A segment. I was also able to convert that opportunity into a full-time role. However, I realized that I need an academic push to grow further in the segment or in the finance industry. That's why I am pursuing my master's from SW Bocconi Asia Center. I've also been doing MUN since 8 years now. MUNs are Model United Nations. They are basically international debating competitions. I've also been in a lot of leadership roles in my previous college. I was the student coordinator for the PlaceCom. I was also the Secretary General of SciMonth 19 and a student in charge for the Cultural Fest Simaro. To conclude about myself, I love competitions, healthy competitions, and personally, I am a huge sports fan. I follow cricket and Formula One racing very closely. So that's about me. My biggest strength that I feel is that I'm really hardworking. If I'm not able to do something, I try to do it even harder so that I can learn that and take it forward with me as a skill. My biggest weakness right now is that my greater focus on short term gains in short term stints and ignoring their long term impacts that I can have in future for myself and for people who are working with me. This is something that I'm trying to work on currently, and I'm sure that I'll be able to do this. One will be failure if I'm not able to do something, because then I continuously think about it. And second will be if I'm thinking too much about future uncertainties. These are the two thoughts that keeps me awake at night. As I have mentioned above, that I was the student coordinator of PlaceCom at SCMS Noida. I know we get a lot of networking opportunities, which are really important, and it even helped me to source my internship at KPMG. With a brand like SW Bocconi, I'll get an opportunity to network and know the insights of many big brands. PlaceCom will hone my communication skills even more. But the most important aspect for me is that it's a very challenging job with a lot of learning and immense exposure that will help me to grow as a professional. So through my previous exposure to college leadership roles, as mentioned above, will give me an edge as it will be a continuation process for me. Of course, with bigger challenges, but already knowing the functionality will help me to grasp things faster. Working in the IB domain has taught me that how much importance value addition is in today's world. So my focus will always be to be a value add in the team. I understand the importance of relationship building and networking, and that's something that I have done over a period of time. And at the end, I would like to conclude by saying that I am an enthusiast and a responsible person who can be banked upon in any given situation. So one has to be Nishtha because she has done internship at ABN Bev, has 1,000+ followers on Instagram and zero posts. Second will be Saurabh Maheshwari. He because he roasts well, he loves political discussions, and he is ethically very correct.